What up guys, how's it going? It is another beautiful day. This video is going to be a little bit different. I think I tried to do this last year when we were going to Hawaii, but I'm gonna try to do like a little weekend in my life vacation prep edition video, because we're going on a cruise. That's right, you heard it right. We are going on another cruise and I am so excited. So excited. I typically, like whenever I prepare for vacations, I like to go get my nails done, my hair done, you know, everything big. So there are things we gotta do. We gotta get our nails done, gotta get the hair done, got to pack, obviously. We did yard work yesterday, so Chris cut the grass and we pulled some weeds and stuff yesterday, so that way whenever we came back it wasn't like completely overgrown. But yeah, I have to do laundry. There's just a lot of stuff. We have to prepare the house for whenever we leave. A lot of stuff we got to get done, but I'm excited. This is my mojo. I love preparing for traveling. But right now I think I'm gonna go do my nails. Typically I go to the salon, but them gas prices, yeah, I'm going to give myself a pedicure at home and it's going to be just as good. And I already have all the materials, so yeah, I'm gonna do that and then get everything packed up, some laundry. Yeah, so just come along for the ride. Started some laundry. I just finished my toes also. I went with like a little pink slash, like I put some glitter on top, but I'm not gonna show you my toes because that's weird. But right now I need to do like a facial because these spots are coming back. Not sure if you guys knew, but I was on Accutane for like 9 months. And now the acne is starting to return and I'm gonna have to go back on Accutane. However, I'm not going to do that until after the summer because I want to enjoy this summer, right? Because like whenever you're on Accutane, like your skin is like super thin and you're more prone to sunburns and things like that. So yeah, I am going to do a little facial to liven up my skin while my laundry's going, and then I'm going to start packing because then it'll be a little bit cooler in the house and it'll be a little bit more enjoyable. Alright, so now it's time for me to find some clothes that I want to wear. So we're spending a couple days in Seattle, and then we have a week-long cruise, and then after we get back to Alaska we are going camping. So got a lot of different types of weather I will be in. So yeah, I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. Also, like one thing I like to do whenever I do find out what I'm wearing is that I like to throw literally all my clothes in the dryer on wrinkle release, because I mean I'm not ironing every single shirt after I, you know, wash them and hang them. But anything that I will be bringing, I'm gonna throw it in the dryer, so that way it gets majority of the wrinkles out, and then we put it in the suitcase. Now, one thing that I do love, let me see. Downy wrinkle release spray. I was a total skeptic on my first cruise about this stuff, but this stuff is literally a lifesaver, especially on any type of trip. If your stuff is going to be in a suitcase, Yeah, you need to get you some Downy wrinkle release spray. It will save your life. So a little update. I am charging my drone equipment back there. I have packed, and now it is time for me to get our luggage tags ready. So I printed off luggage tags for us as well as some other people in our group, and I'm going to put them in the handy dandy luggage tag holders. The instructions say to like fold the paper and like staple it onto your bag. However, because I'm a paranoid person, I think these are going to be more durable to ensure that our bags make it to our cabin. Y'all, what do you think? Huh? I like it. I like it a lot. Now we're in the neighborhood about to see if Chris likes it. I mean, it doesn't really matter because I like it, but let's see if he likes it. All right. So I'm in a bit of a predicament. I have a lot of stuff. Not really a lot, but a substantial amount of stuff I need to bring on my carry-on, like the drone and binoculars and the GoPro. But I want to try and fit it all, you know, in this little, I think it's a 20 liter bag from REI, but I don't think it will all fit. So I'm trying to decide between cuteness and aesthetics of my REI bag or practicality of a bag that I can actually put everything in. I think I'm gonna go with this bag only because typically whenever we do shore excursions and things, Chris's carry-on, like we have a specific bag we normally take whenever we get off the ship, and I normally like either have just my phone or have like a little fanny pack, sling bag situation. So I think that will be easier to pack into, like, this would be easier to pack into luggage, and then this will obviously carry everything that I need. So not the aesthetic or, you know, what I was going for, but it's what I need. All right, so I'm gonna finish packing up my carry-on and then go see if Chris needs any help packing his bag. We have to get Lila situated, and then yeah, then we're ready. I don't know if I told you guys, but we will be driving down to Anchorage, so we have a 6.5 hour-ish drive down, because that's where our flight's out of. So we'll be flying out of Anchorage this time instead of Fairbanks. So it's going to be a very, very long travel day tomorrow, but we're gonna make it work. So let's finish packing. All right, everything is packed. Our bags are packed, carry-ons are packed. Lila is with her new best friend for the next week and a half or so, and the truck is packed. So it is time to go to bed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little glimpse into my, I guess, my weekend in my life, cruise vacation prep. If you guys are interested in a must-haves for Alaska cruises, let me know, and I am happy to do so. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be a very, very long travel day, and we'll see you then. Bye. what am I doing? If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click that big red subscribe button down below. And whenever you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.